Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for subscribing. If you do, you guys, it's time. I'm doing it early this year, so thumbs up for that. This is my fall/Halloween house tour. I'm gonna do the beginning with the front of the house, and then I'm going to later tonight do the inside, which is really even spooky. I have a few things outside, so I want to do this clip before, it gets, if I don't get bitten by fire ants. Oh my god, you guys. Okay, let's do this clip before it gets too dark outside. But this scarecrow I got from Michael's. He is so cute. I love him. He's a spooky scarecrow. He's fabulous. So I ended up getting him from Michael's. And then I want to show you guys a few more things before we head inside. This I got from Target a couple of years ago. Beautiful, right? Love that. And then this beauty right here from Hobby Lobby. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. The pumpkins, the leaves, stunning. Ugh. Okay guys, let's go inside for the rest of the tour. Okay, so we're inside now. This is the kitchen. We have these little cute pumpkins right there and there. Those are from Hobby Lobby. These are from, I think, Hobby Lobby as well. This is from Hobby Lobby as well. Yeah. Very cute. Then we have this wreath from Dollar Tree. In the living room, we have these beautiful flowers for fall with pumpkins. These are from Dollar Tree, the flowers. This one is from Dollar Tree as well. Actually, everything here is Dollar Tree. The signs, the pumpkins, that one, and then that is also from Dollar Tree. So nice. Yeah, nothing is more beautiful than fall decor. I just think it's lovely. And then we have some Halloween mixed in. The witch churning up her evil witch's brew with pumpkins. We have this Grim Reaper playing the violin. And then we have this old decrepit witch. Very cute. Over here we have this. I love this ceramic pumpkin. I bought this from Hobby Lobby about 7 years ago. I love her. And then more flowers. And then over here from Dollar Tree, it says, I love fall most of all, which couldn't be more true. I love fall. Okay, you guys. And then over here, we have this beautiful sign that says Farm Fresh Pumpkins. Okay, as we make our way up the stairs, we have this welcome with the sunflowers. As you guys told me, I was calling it daisies in yesterday's video. But they're sunflowers. Welcome. And then this is so pretty. I want you to see this with the light off. It looks way better. Right? It glows. It's so pretty. And these are all from Dollar Tree. Oh my god, I'm just obsessed with this. Okay, up the stairs we go. Oh my god. I know, right? We're gonna get to this. That's my new favorite, obsessed, okay? We have the blessed sign. Let's turn this light on. There we go. Oh my god, so pretty. Pumpkin Patch Caramel Apples. Welcome. Yes. Oh my gosh. Let me turn this light on really quick and then I'm gonna turn it off for the effect. But so you can see this better. Here we go. Welcome. Blessed. The skeleton. This is from Michael's, I think, or Hobby Lobby, one of those places. This is from, I believe, Michael's. Okay, so let's do the, I only have one thing, a couple things in my room really quick. So I'm gonna show you really quick. I just have these cute little things from Michael's, these little garlands with the pumpkins on it. So I just wrap that around all this stuff, and then on the other side, a black version. Just wrapped around there. And then I have this sign over here. Fall is in the air. Definitely is. Even if it's August when I'm filming this video. Of course, I already started drinking my fall glasses from my fall glasses because I love fall most of all. Okay, you guys. Let's turn the light off for this. Okay. I just want to see the glow. These pumpkins glowing. How pretty is that? Oh my gosh. You know what? Let me go downstairs and turn that light off so you can see this glowing. Really quick, just this pillow from Michael's. I forgot to show. This is downstairs. We're back downstairs just for a second. Okay, so now you can see like this glowing lantern better. I love this guy. Farm Fresh pumpkins. This is battery operated. Obsessed from Dollar Tree. You guys, you need to get this. This is a must have for this season. This one, and then I'll get to the lantern in a minute. Obsessed with it. Okay, so this lantern, the batteries have to be changed, but I think you guys will get the point. Oh, where is it? There we go. It like lights up. It's like subtle right now because the batteries have to be changed, but it like lights up pretty strong. Of course, it's flash on the camera. You really can't. But basically, this like lights up really pretty. I'll show it to you better in my favorites for August, but yeah. But it like lights up and flickers like a natural candle. Obsessed with that. So this is, if you can find this one with the leaves on it, get this. And the light up lantern. Also from Dollar Tree, these witches. This I've had for years. So cute. This you can light up too, but I just chose to keep it natural. And then the ghost from Michael's. Spooky ghosts. Ghost stories coming in October. Get ready. And then more of these signs. These are all from this year. These are all new ones. From Dollar Tree. Fall, welcome to our patch. Pumpkin Kiss, more Harvest Wishes. And then Farm Fresh pumpkins, 10 cents a pound. So cute, you guys. Obsessed. Harvest, happy harvest. Okay, I want to show you this bathroom before I forget. You guys, look at this little ghost village. So cute. Oh my God, you guys. I'm kind of obsessed. Oh my God. The cutest thing ever. Okay, you guys, so these gnomes. They're so cute. The gnomes, the happy fall. And then of course I have the leaves up. I got the leaves from Hobby Lobby years ago. And then these, I love these glowing, so they glow. Oh, they're so cute. I love them. And then the skull from Michael's, more Halloween stuff. These are from like, I think Target, but like literally 20 years ago. Like maybe 30. These are like vintage the house down, like from the 90s. These are super cute. Happy Halloween, off we go hunting. And then over here, I put little cute ghost candles, which I love it. Ghost candles and the pumpkin. Oh my God, too adorable. And then we have the, whatever this is called. I forgot what this is called. Little table dish thing. The mat for the plate, the dish thing, whatever, you know what it's called. Well, placemat, there we go. Fall placemat. I don't remember where we got that. That we've had for a long time too. But it's leaves and it's festive. So yeah, that concludes the tour. You see, you can see the light flickering more better now. Yeah, but it's even brighter if the candles were, I forgot to do that before the video. But yeah, if the batteries are fresh, it glows even more. But you see, you can see it more now. But it glows even more brighter with the batteries changed, but it's really cute. Oh, I love it. Especially like when it's, you know what, I'm gonna turn this light off so you can see that better. Okay, so now spooky vision. So you can see everything so much better now with all the lights off. See, that glows more. This one, look how creepy this is. I love it. It looks like the Halloween pumpkin from the Halloween movie. Like, no, 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 no. I know, it's so good. And then you can see this even better. Like, glows really nicely and flickers. Is that neat? Oh my God, I wish I would have changed the battery for you guys. You would have seen it better. But yeah, I'll show you my August favorites. But I mean, it looks good dim like this, but like it's even brighter when it's fully changed. But yeah, okay. Ooh, this is creepy. I love it. It's very spooky. I like the lights off. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end it here. Spooky. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing if you do. Until next time, bye guys.